happy and slow, munching eucalyptus, don't you know? L is for lemur, jumping with glee. La la la, wild and free. M is for moose, ever so grand, marching, marching through the land. N is for narwhal, tusk so bright, swimming, swimming through the night. O is for osprey, flying so high, swooping, swooping, touching the sky. P is for penguin, waddling along, waddle, waddle, singing a song. Q is for quail, feathers so neat, chirping, chirping, hopping to eat. R is for raccoon, mask so sly, raiding, raiding with a twinkling eye. S is for seal, lip so fine, splashing, splashing all the time. T is for tortoise, shell so strong, moving slow all day long. U is for urchin, prickly and small, rolling, rolling on the ocean wall. V is for vulture, soaring so high, flying, flying, touching the sky. W is for weasel, sneaky and quick, darting, darting with a wicked trick. X is for service, burrowing deep, digging, digging in the sand to keep. Y is for yak, shaggy and strong, climbing, climbing all day long. Z is for zebra, so black and white, running, running with a playful might. Now we've learned from A to Z about amazing animals, if you please. Remember their sounds and what they do, and come back soon for more fun with you. Let's take a ride from A to Z, transportation inside. A is for airplane soaring high, flying passengers across the sky. B is for boat sailing on the sea, waves and wind adventure to be. C is for car driving down the road, speed and style wherever you go. D is for drone, flying with ease, zoom zoom, capturing views with expertise. E is for engine chugging along, chugga chugga train tracks winding strong. F is for ferry, crossing the bay, toot toot, connecting lands every day. G is for glider, silent and slow, whoosh whoosh, fighting thermals as they grow. H is for helicopter, whirling blades, whirly bird, rescue missions made. I is for ice break through icy seas, crunch, crunch, clearing paths with ease. J is for jet ski, racing on the wave, splish splash, thrill and splash, what a rave. K is for kayak, paddling with care, paddle paddle, exploring waters fair. L is for limousine, luxury ride, ride in style, leg carpet by your side. N is for motorcycle, roaring loud, vroom vroom, freedom on the wheels proud. O is for navigation, charts and maps, X marks the spot, find your way to the tracks. O is for omnibus, city tour, wheels turning, sights and sounds galore. E is for pontoon, floating on air, gentle glide, river cruises without a care. Q is for quad bike, rugged terrain, rumble rumble, adventure seeking Dane. R is for railroad, tracks are fine, chugga chugga, destination on time. S is for sailboat, wind and sail, swoosh swoosh, gliding smoothly, never fail. T is for truck, hauling heavy loads, rumble rumble, delivery on winding roads. U is for Uber, ride sharing fun, beep beep, city travels for everyone. V is for Vespa, scooter delight, vroom vroom, zipping through city life. W is for wagon, handful of care, rattle rattle, moving goods to share. X is for X-15, rocketing high, space exploration, touching the sky. Y is for yacht, luxury at sea, sailing dreams for you and me. Z is for zip line, thrilling ride, we adventure calling deep inside. Now we travel from A to Z, exploring transportation, if you please. Remember the rides and the fun we've had, and come back soon for more rhymes to be glad.
Let's now together, you and me, from 1 to 20, come along and see. One little dachshund taking one big stride, walking along with a happy wagging pride. Two eyes shining bright on a curious corky's face, looking up high in a happy, playful place. Three barks loud and clear from a lively beagle's mouth, alerting friends to come and play without a doubt. Four legs running fast on a speedy greyhound's feet, racing with joy down a happy winding street. Five senses alert on a wise and clever poodle's face, smelling, hearing, seeing, tasting, and feeling the pace. 6 months old and already playful, alive with chihuahua's delight, jumping and bouncing with energy shining bright. 7 colors shining in a beautiful Siberian Husky's coat, glistening in the sun with a happy wolf-like note. 8 hours sleeping snug and cozy, a lazy bulldog's dream, resting and relaxing in a happy sleepy scheme. 9 tails wagging, but only one belongs to a happy Shih Tzu's rear, wagging with excitement without a single fear. 10 years old, so playful, a wise and loving golden retriever's pride, playing and laughing with a happy youthful stride. 11 months training, and the clever Doberman's ready to go, learning and growing with a happy intelligent go low. 12 inches tall, and a tiny pup standing proud, small but mighty with a happy and playful place. Proud. 13 treats waiting for a good and loyal Rottweiler's delight, earning rewards with a happy, loving might. 14 degrees outside, and a fluffy Samoyed's coat shines bright, warm and cozy in the cold winter's light. 15 minutes playing, and the lively Australian Shepherd's having fun, running and jumping beneath the bright warm sun. 16 weeks old, and a playful Labrador's learning fast, growing and developing with a happy, energetic blast. 17 years together, and a loyal German Shepherd by your side, faithful companion through joy and joyous stride. 18 inches jumping, and a bouncy Jack Russell's in the air, leaping and bounding without a single care. 19 kisses given by a loving and sweet boxer's friendly face, spreading joy and happiness with a warm and loving embrace. 20 dogs celebrating with a big happy cheer. Woof woof, we counted and we're happy to be here. We counted 1 to 1 to 20, you see, each breed unique and special as can be.
What?